All right, everybody, we're back. Let's buckle up for this one. Population replacement strategy, immigration as a tool for social engineering, impact communities, economies, and political landscapes. Demographic warfare through mass migration, cultural dilution, traditional populations replaced by groups with different values and loyalties, wage suppression, unlimited cheap labor supply drives down compensation for existing workers, political power shifts, voting patterns change through strategic population replacement in key areas. All right, the impact on the community, social cohesion drops, shared values become diluted, cultural stability, traditional practices face challenges, local customs may disappear over time, economic opportunity, competition increases for jobs and wage becomes stagnant as labor supply expands. Economic displacement, housing market manipulation, artificial demand drives up costs, service system overloads, schools, hospitals, infrastructure are overwhelmed, and small business destruction. Local businesses can't compete with exploited labor from the larger businesses. One way to battle this is with the technology that's coming forth is the quantum technology. You have a PDF, free PDF that tells you the 7 industries you can disrupt with quantum. And you also have our ebook, $47 ebook, Quantum for Entrepreneurs. And this is a layout, a blueprint of how to get started with a quantum business and how to market it. Economic pressure points, rising housing costs, existing residents are priced out of their neighborhoods, strained public services, longer wait times, reduced quality of care, corporate advantage, large companies benefit from the cheaper labor pool, and wealth concentration, economic benefits flow primarily to the elites. Adaptation strategies, geographic arbitrage. So, in other words, just move to another location that favors better economic trends, skill premium, develop capabilities that can't be easily replaced by imported labor. Like quantum, AI, but the next move is quantum. Get in early. Community building, create local networks, mutual support systems for resilience. Some other practical approaches: relocate strategically, like we mentioned, upskill, continuously upskill, and build local networks. So, to thrive during these transitions, recognize patterns, then identify demographic shifts early, monitor economic indicators in your area. Position strategically, make decisions based on long-term trends, avoid areas with unsustainable growth, and build resilience. Develop skills, networks, and resources that withstand demographic pressures. So, like we have now speaking of U.S., United States right now, we have the deportations, which is opposite of immigration. And I mean, could be one result of immigration is eventually deportation if you don't have the proper documents. It's how it goes. But because you gotta think, I don't know. For me, I know if I was in another country and I didn't have the right documents to be there, then pretty sure they're booting me out of there. I mean, realistically. All right, well, we're going to end this one. You can watch more of our videos right up there to educate yourself on future technologies, future scenarios, and the upcoming quantum technology. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.